words in here. That's why they call it P4. All reason, professional courtesy. So it might sound like, hey, we do all of our business by appointment. The reason is because we know your time's valuable and we want to make sure that we make the best use of it. So we're going to set aside a certain amount of time. Now, you may not want to say 90 minutes. In fact, I quit saying it just simply to keep it neutral, because it may take you 5 hours. You may not want to say that. So, hey, you know what? We're going to set aside a certain amount of time to work with you to take care of your specific needs. Now, if you're going to be a little early, you think you're going to be a little bit late, or you need to reschedule, would you just please do me the professional courtesy of a phone call? And of course, I do the same for you. Professional courtesy, great word. It's a couple steps above common courtesy. Common courtesy is just common. Professional courtesy is a little bit better, right? Quite a bit better. So professional courtesy, great word. And then lastly, would you do the courtesy of giving me the same? They say yes, they will. Who's going to say no to that, right? And then you go into the contact information. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and text. Here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to go ahead and text you a link with directions that'll take you right to the store, the doorstep of the dealership. That's what I like to say. Right to the doorstep of the dealership. I'm also going to send you my contact information. Could you do me a big favor? Pause. Could you do me a big favor? Yes, I can do it. Hey, could you just go ahead and shoot me back a text and let me know that you received that, those directions and my contact info? Okay, hey, great.